Hey everybody, Todd Black with Eagle Mountain City. Welcome to this month's episode of Living with Wildlife. We're going to shift gears a little bit and talk about plants and not wildlife today. We have two species. One's a tree and the other one is a shrub. One's called the Russian olive, it's a tree. The other one's called the salt cedar tamarisk. Both of these species are invasive, non-native, and they're actually on the state's hit list of species that we don't want to have. I see a lot of these around the city, up in some of our open space, in our retention ponds, and we're going to make an effort over the next couple of years to get rid of these species. There's really one effective way to do this and to get rid of them, and that is you actually have to cut them off at the base of the stump, and then you have to use a herbicide that's got a high concentration, north of 40% of glycophosphate, and you use a little squirt bottle, squirt it around the cambium near the bark and near the tree, and that's how you get rid of it. If you dig these up, if you just cut these up, if you mow them, they just get super aggressive and grow even harder and even more. As I drive throughout the city, I notice a lot of people have these in their backyards, right up to some open space, but are almost cultivating them, fostering them because they like them, they want them to grow. But again, they're actually on the state's list of invasive noxious species, and you as a homeowner, you as a landowner, we as a city, we're in charge of removing those and getting rid of them so they don't spread. The salt cedar tamarisk was actually introduced in the 40s along the Colorado River system for bank stabilization, and it has just taken over everywhere. There's very few native species that grow once that stuff has established and spread. It's not a very wildlife friendly species, either of those are. Both of them are from Eurasian and Europe, and we don't want them here in Utah. So if you see either of these two species in your area, please contact us, let us know. We'd like to get rid of them. I'm Todd Black, we'll see you next time.